As we all know that atoms are fundamental constituents of matter around us, and we human beings are also composed of these atoms. Nuclear science is important in understanding our universe at atomic level. Nuclear science and technology is based on nuclear radiations such as neutrons, gamma rays, and other charged particles within nuclei. There are a number of applications of nuclear science in different fields of physics, chemistry, and biology. In biology, nuclear techniques have many applications like cancer diagnosis and treatment. Under the topic of cell division, we teach our students how errors in mitosis result in cancer disease. The students are informed about the diagnosis and treatment of cancer. Different techniques of nuclear science provide images inside human body and can help us find exact locations of tumors. Nuclear medicines and radioisotopes are used and then scans are performed. Radionuclides therapy is used to kill cancerous cells. Nuclear science is playing a vital role in agriculture and food sciences. We teach our students about the radioisotopes to control pests and diseases to increase crop production, protection of water, land resources, and food preservation. We introduce our students with modern nuclear technique called sterile insect technique. Male insects are exposed to gamma rays or radioisotopes to make them infertile. This method prevents their reproduction. As a result, insect population in the field is controlled. Gamma rays also play an important role to preserve food for longer time by increasing its shelf life. Endocrine system is a very important system of glands which regulates biological processes from conception to old age. Glands are important organs located in different parts of body and produce hormones like thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, adrenal glands, pancreas, and gonads. These glands control body functions by releasing chemicals called hormones in the blood. Blood takes them to targeted areas where they do their job. Their imbalance can create many disorders in human body like gigantism, dwarfism, ovarian syndrome, hyperthyroidism, hypothyroidism. Different techniques are used to diagnose diseases related to hormonal imbalance like RIA, which stands for radioimmunoassay technique. It is a widely technique used to analyze concentration of hormones of human and livestock. RIA is a valuable technique for measuring hormones, drugs, vitamins, enzymes, cyclic nucleotides, amino acids, viruses, tumor markers, and a variety of other substances in biological fluids, both in research and clinical laboratories. This technique was first used by Dr. Jello and Dr. Burson in 1959, and for the same technique, they won the Nobel Prize in 1977. RIA is an analytical method based on an immunoreaction using a radioisotope as a marker or tracer. It is a nuclear technique widely used for the estimation of hormones. It is a specific, sensitive, precise, and accurate technique. Major requirements for RIA are unlabeled antigen, specific antibody, radio-labeled antigen or tracer, equipment gamma counter, radiation monitor, polypropylene assay tubes. Labeled antigen is the same hormone to be measured in the sample, but it contains one or more atoms of a radioisotope to allow measurements. There are many radioisotopes that are in use in different nuclear techniques, but iodine-125 is a widely used isotope which has a half-life of 60 days. First of all, we label the assay tubes in duplicate, then we pipette standard controls and samples in the corresponding tubes. Tracer is added to every tube and assay is incubated. After incubation, all tubes are decanted and then counted for 1 minute in a gamma counter. Gamma counter indicates the concentration level of hormone by extrapolating the standard curves. Since nuclear science is playing a beneficial role in human life, so peaceful use of nuclear energy should be mandatory for all the states around the globe. Thank you for watching.